Hey ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, let me tell you something. OMG, like look at this wig. Look, do you really see this wig, honey? This what lace, okay? This looks like this is growing from my scalp. This look like I was born with this, honey, born with this. But anyway, so today's video is about Cloud9 Swiss lace wig from samsbeauty.com. So what I'm gonna do is put everything that you need on the description bar, or some of the things up on the screen. It depends on what it is that I need to put up there. So y'all, Morgan, okay, Morgan, what? Girl, y'all better shut the front door all the way here, then turn around the corner and then come get me, okay? All right, check this out. This is a HD lace wig. HD lace wig. So we have Morgan. It's natural density. Look at this. I didn't do not one piece of plucking. None. You will see in the video where I did my baby hairs and I just cut the baby hairs. That's it. I did not do no plucking whatsoever to this wig, honey. The temperature is 350 to 400 that you can be able to curl it, flat iron it, straighten it out, or whatever. Don't go higher than 400, y'all, because it's saying 350 to 400. I got it in the color number one, which is black, natural black. So it says, what lace? Question mark, period. What lace, okay? And they know what they talking about. Look, up close and personal, y'all, okay? Up close and personal. Hairline illusion lace wig. It's Cloud9 Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber. And it has it right there. Then we have on the back, on the stock card, it has the detectable others, which is the other people's, and then theirs. Honey. Honey. Look at this hairline. Look at my hairline, okay? I did no plucking. You didn't see me do no plucking. Okay, so they have it in available colors, which is 1B, 2, 4, 6, 1, 13, burgundy wine, flamboyant, caramel, chocolate. Y'all, it's just endless in the amount of colors that they have. Okay, so it's a 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied lace, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, baby. Look, okay, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. None of my hair is left out. None of my hair is left out at all. So natural, it can't be a wig. Keep them guessing when you wear what lace. What lace? Hairline illusion lace wig, okay? Like I said, this is in Morgan. This is the stock card. It lets you know all of the information that you need to know. Now, my girl right here, I couldn't decide, y'all, in the video whether I wanted to do this one or this one. But I'm always doing like a wig that has, you know, hair down like that and to the side. So I said, you know what? Let's go to girly mouth right here, honey. But when I got to doing her, I did have it in the back, but I was like, you know what, a side one would be nice with a nice little glam pin, okay? To go with my little outfit. To go with my little outfit, you know what I'm saying? To be like nice and glam. Look, y'all, I look young. Okay, so I will install this wig. Y'all will see me install this wig, honey, at Sam's Beauty is like, yes, they wigs is popping. They got all kinds of wigs in there. Y'all need to get with it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead on and show you what the wig looks like. The wig comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and you have much lace. I will show it to you. Girl, here, I will show you this wig and you will not believe it, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and put all the descriptions, everything that you need down below to be able to get your hands on this wig, okay? Because they sent me a couple of wigs and I was like, honey, so I got another wig that's bombing, extra bombing, okay? Now, I don't know if it's extra bombing because this wig is like popping, okay? So, I'm going to show you the video of me doing the wig, showing the wig, installing the wig, and all these other things. Now, far as like a little shed or whatever, I have not gotten any shedding, but I do get like a little teeny little little tangle. And if I do, then I just brush my fingers through it. You see, here's one. Bring your fingers through it, and it's a done deal, okay? The lacing, the hair is beautiful. So while I was doing the video, I also, and I will turn it on. I also, because I had to put my lace down, I was going to use my blow dryer anyway, and I had got this from Irresistible Me, okay? Irresistible Me, you will see in the video. It comes in this box, this box right here, this packaging, which is Irresistible Me Black Diamond Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. Super compact AC motor. Okay, so they give you like a little pamphlet on this, and it has this one right here. It says removable nozzle, and you can remove these right here. They like diffusers, and it comes with two, and it has like a little snap thing that I need to take it off. Okay, you snap. So it comes with two diffusers, just like this. One is bigger and one is, you know, smaller. I'm gonna tell you, the transition is like really smooth, okay? You can have your hair, like when I put it up, you'll see in the video when I put it up and I wanted to diffuse it, it doesn't move any other hair, so I really like it. It has nice settings. It has like cool shot. This is the cool shot. Everybody know this is the cool shot. This thing is like velvety, y'all. Look at this, girl. This is like a glam dryer, okay? So it has 3 airflow settings. I noticed when I put it at the top of here, it was actually for warm. So you have like 3 nozzles right there, you know, and you can put it on, but it won't. But if you do it at the bottom, that's high. That's low. That's high. Girl, if you hot outside, do you hear me? If you hot in the house, girl, this thing will blow what? This thing blows. You hear me? I never had a blow dryer like this. I was due for one, so I'm like, yes, look how sleek and how beautiful this blow dryer is, okay? So then it says 3 temperature settings and 3 airflow settings. And I will also put it in the description bar. That way you can check this Irresistible Me handle out. It is honey rose gold. Look at this. Rose gold. It has a diamond on it right there. And then on the other side, I think this is really sleek. It feels like it's expensive, y'all. All right, so that's enough about this. So this is Irresistible Me. I will have everything in the description bar, even coupon codes for these items that I have on today. And after the video, I will be back also to show y'all, at the end of the video, I'll show y'all what my outfit is, because actually this video is about the wig, and I use the blow dryer, about the blow dryer, and about my outfit. Not the makeup, because I was not about to sit through this whole thing and do makeup. Okay, so I know this was long, but get into the video. All right. Be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Watch the video now, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, okay? Check the description bar for what you need, okay? All right, babies. today's outfit is actually a pair of shorts that came from Rainbow, and I paid $7.99 for these shorts right here. And they're like stretchable, really stretchable, and they are in a size 1X. The shirt I bought from Marley Station. No, White Marsh Mall, I'm sorry. And the shirt was like, it's like the store that's called Leggings, and I bought this nice stretchy shirt, and it was like $7.99. And y'all know where the hair came from, so don't trip, okay? Okay, so my shoes, get my shoes, please. Get them someone. My shoes came from Walmart, and they were actually $18, and they are Avias, and they have like the metallic pink on them, and I love them because they're big and rigid, honey. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. Of course, I'm gonna have on like a pink. Can you bring it up? I'm also gonna have on a pink bag that I'm gonna carry with me because I feel like a little girl today. So yes, y'all, so this is my outfit of today. And of course the hair is popping, y'all. I didn't show y'all the back of this hair. Okay, look at the back of this hair. Yes, 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 honey. Sam's Beauty came through. Okay, so this is what I have on today. I keep on messing my nail, y'all. I don't have my nail, and I'm so sorry, and it keeps getting plunked up and stuff because I need to fix this nail. Okay, but this is what I look like today. All right, ladies, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.